4. Question physical stock. So we have made the units, NOS numbers, then we have made the stock items, we have made all. Now this is gaming headset primary not applicable under gaming headset under NOS numbers. Then after that we have clicked control enter, it used to come at the end, and we have put the quantity and rate, then control it. Then we have to pass the transaction. Before passing the transaction we will go on alter, we will go on voucher type, we will click purchase, then under that we will select automatic manual override, we will click yes enter, yes enter. And then currently here we will not do this because in question already these are given, otherwise we can do that 1 4, and then in prefix what we do PUR means purchase, and then here also we do 1 4, then in suffix what we do slash 25 26 year, मतलब 25 2025-26. But here we will not do that because in question directly it is given. Then we will press control A, control A. Then also we will do for sales automatic manual override, yes enter, yes enter, control A, control A. Then we will pass the entry from voucher, we will click F9, yes it's F9 for purchase, we will select the date 5.55. Now we can edit the number. Now what it is showing bill number TS051. Let's write TS caps lock TS slash 051. Little confused between first one and the second one. I think generally we do first one, but let's do second one also. We will put the same in second one also, just for try. 0511. We have intentionally put one extra. We have to create the party tax supplier. Tax supplier PVT LTD. Creditor. Wireless mouse. How much? 15. Rate 600. Discount, no discount. We have not created purchase account, so let's create PURCHASE. Purchase, under purchase head PUR. Then Bluetooth earphone. How much? 5 Bluetooth earphone at the rate 1500. Control A. Now we have to do sales. F10, no it's not F10. F8, yes, F8 for sale, F9 for purchase. We will put the invoice caps lock TH slash 010, caps lock TH slash 010, enter reference number. We have intentionally putting this, otherwise we don't have to put it. Now the digital hub, we have to create it. We are solding him, therefore he is our debtor. Call it debtors, don't call debtor. Now what we are selling? We are selling laptop bag and hard disk. So laptop bag, how much? 5 laptop bag, 1200 each. We have not created sales, therefore let's create sales. SALES sales. Laptop bag. Now external hard disk, how much? 3 external hard disk of 3200 each. We have done the first entry, first transaction, second transaction. Now we will do third and fourth transactions. At last we have to put this. So here what it is showing, TS012, and where it is given TS012. So yes, when bill number or invoice number etc anything is given, it is talking about that upper thing number. It is not talking about that reference number. So this number has automatically come from here. So means we have to put only upper thing that we have edited, from voucher type, automatic, manual, override. Then we can write this. So we have to write only upper part. We do not have to do anything to that second thing. So it is the way. So in next transaction entry, we have not selected purchase. Purchase GIT/045. We will only write here. We will not write in supplier invoice number. Yes, we will only write on upper. We will not write there. Yes. January, February, March, April, May, June, 6, 28/6. Party. Now I will do it and I will show you. Now here it is the main thing. First, physical stock verification, 30 June 2025. Stock item book stock, physical stock difference. So in physical stock, what we have understand till now. So related to purchase this amount I am talking about currently purchase. And create physical stock, Vivo actually purchased, Vivo received, Vivo recorded means purchased. So it is same and received this. So from F10 physical stock, what we have to enter in purchase, we have to enter the actual unit of receipt. In purchase actual receipt. In sales, the difference of purchase and sale. So in purchase, what we have to do? In purchase, we have to see the earlier purchase amount, earlier purchase net, and we have to do this purchase related voucher F1 physical stock. जो एक्चुअल आया है वो लिखेंगे. We have to write the actual. In purchase related, we have to write the actual receipt. And then in sales related, what we have to do? We have to write the difference between purchase and sales. Like here you can see that. Earlier we have purchased Xiaomi 15 NOS. Now we have sold Xiaomi 12 NOS. Sold, it is showing, that means we have created the bill of 12. But we have actually sold 13. So in purchase we have to see actual receipt. In sales we have to see difference between purchase and sales. So Xiaomi actual purchase was 15, so we have to write 15. And Xiaomi sales and sale, which sale we have to write? We have to write actual sales, not bill wala sale. We have to write actual sales. So 13, 15 minus 13, 2. So in purchase, what we have to write? In purchase we have to write of actual receipt. In sales related, what we have to write? We have to write the difference between actual purchase minus actual sales, not billed sales, actual sales. Difference. Voucher F2 30 June. Then we will go on F10. Then we will click on physical stock. F10 physical stock. Now laptop bag. Earlier we have done the question in which we have to analyze all the things. We have to see if it is purchase, so we have to record actual purchase, and if it is sales, then what we have to write? Actual purchase minus actual item sold, means actual item outward. But in this question it is given directly, so what we have to do? We have to directly put laptop bag quantity 1 short -1. We will not write -1, we will only write 1. Here we do not have to write minus or plus. We do not have to do those things. We only have to write the difference. Even if it is positive or negative, we just have to write the difference quantity. Like here there is no difference, so we will not do anything. Likewise we will do for all. In this question, in this table, book stock, it is closing book stock, and physical stock, it is also closing physical stock. How this 30 is calculated? Like this: opening laptop bag 30, then sales of laptop bag 30 minus 5 25, then again purchase of laptop bag 30 minus 5 plus 5 30. So here 25, then plus 5 30. Then by doing all this thing, it has come this 30. Closing book stock, and this is closing physical stock, which will be calculated by, I think, someone of godown. Then closing of book, closing of physical, difference, then we have put the difference. Now we will do the transaction of July to December 2025. Step 4, there are 4 entries. We have done all the entries. Many of them were coming negative stock, then also we have done the entries. Now we will do the second physical stock verification on 31 December. So F10 physical stock, then F10 physical stock, we will select the date F2 31/12, enter laptop bag, 1 difference. In this question it is directly given, so we do not have to analyze and find out, and we have to put the difference quantity, not in negative, not in positive, just we have to put the difference quantity. Bluetooth to in external hard disk, there is no difference. USB keyboard 1, gaming headset 1. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we have done this second physical stock verification. Now what is the student task? Create stock item with opening balance, done. Record purchase sale, done. On 30 June and 13 pass physical stock to, done. Shortage transfer to, we have to say this stock summary before. Okay, let's debug, done. ट्रांसफ़र टू स्टॉक लॉस लेजर कुछ अलग है, स्टॉक गेन लेजर, और ये स्टॉक समरी बिफोर और आफ्टर वेरिफिकेशन, और ये 2 चीज़।
30 जून 2025 and 31 पास फिजिकल स्टॉक टू अपडेट स्टॉक, ठीक है।
जैसे कि ये टेबुक में ऑल्ट F2, मैं पास तो कर दिया हूँ, कहीं पे तो होगा ये फिजिकल स्टॉक 1 ये फिजिकल स्टॉक दो, ये दूसरा, ये पहला। पर ये बोल क्या रहा है कि ट्रांसफ़र स्टॉक लॉस लेजर
एक बार
ट्रांसफ़र।
नेट पे सर्च कर स्टॉप लॉस लेजर की एंट्री क्या होगी।
अच्छा,
एज में मत कर, पूरा में कर, एज में कर। लगा है क्या बोला, स्टॉक लॉस लेजर।
लाला ट्रेडर्स का यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, लोकल सप्लायर तमिलनाडु। रेफरेंस नंबर दिया है, बिल नंबर डालना आपको ज़रूरी है, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पर आप देखोगे ना कि ये जितने भी इसमें कंपनी के नाम है ना, पूरे क्वेश्चन में सबका जीएसटी नंबर दिया हुआ है।
टैली PDF क्वेश्चन टैली PDF 4 5 सितंबर